How to see blocked contacts on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see blocked contacts on Google Meet. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Meet app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on settings. Now here, once you are in your settings section, you can see the option labeled as blocked contacts. So simply tap on that. And now here you will be able to see all the people that you have previously blocked on Google Meet. As of right now, I haven't blocked any contacts, but if you have blocked any contacts, you can see the list of the contacts with their email addresses and any other identities that Google Meet shows. And that's it. That's how you can see the blocked contacts on Google Meet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.